little slope face dryer that was in a fire that my friend brought by, wanted me to check it out. Melted the top of it pretty good, but the inside of it looks so a-okay. It runs. I have had it running already. I thought I'd check the inside. It was in a house fire, and it looks ugly on top. But one thing about it is you want to check, make sure this blower is nice and tight, not wobbly, and that these wheels are turning easily. Especially that one closest to the heat now, that tends to be the one but it's working great. Okay, well, we'll put it all back together again, and since it's one of the most difficult dryers to figure out how to take apart, I thought I'd show y'all how to put it back together. This here is oil, it's Zoom spout oil. It's very good oil for appliance repair. Alright, let's set it over here, J-Dub. Just set the little book over here. Alright. First thing you want to do is set the in there like that. That's simple enough. Now, you got to get on back in here like this. Warn't nothing to it, see that? Warn't nothing to it, were it? I want that down. There it is. You did it up and you forgot something, didn't you? Alright, this door got little tips. Goes in here. Like that. And then you go down a half. This guy looks like it's been rolled hard, put up wet. Voila, mon ami. Let's have a look. Have a look at this bad boy. Like I said, this dude's been in a house fire. But they broke the push start switch. So what I did, I just run the wires through the outside and got a piece of rubber and stuck it on there. That's all. But since it was in the house fire, you know. Alright, since that boob was in the boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, pay attention right over here, bro. I have in my hand a suicide cord. $810 volts. Now on this side right here, see all that blackness on that side? That's where the heat element pulls all the amp draw on that right there. A lot of times the breaker will go out, the dryer will run, and you won't have no heat, and you'll say, well, everything's working, but it won't heat. Well, now all of these things here are melted like to hell and that and right there, but this is mechanical inside. So anyway, put one side of the cord to neutral, one side over here to that motor side. See, it takes 240 to run the heater, but it only takes 110 to do the motor. So let's plug it in. Aha! Get out. Back to working. Oh, I never did. You know what I didn't do? Hell with it. He just wanted to put up with the noise. I didn't take them coins out. Or them times. But as you can see, the way to test them without plugging them up to big voltage, just run just the motor side and neutral, just to see how it's gonna run. It ain't doing too bad for something in a house that burnt down. The next thing I got to check out is the washing machine. It took the biggest beating. I bet all them Shoptronics in there got all melted to hell and back. That'll be my next choice. It's for my friend. He having bad luck. But he's not having as bad as luck as my uncle. My uncle, whole house burned down on him Friday night. He lost everything. He ain't got nothing but the shirt on his back. But he don't want nobody to give him shit. Hillbilly redneck ass. You look at him right now and he just laughed. Ha ha ha, I'll just build me another shit shack somewhere. That's how Cajuns are. They don't let shit bother them. They just rebuild. Later, Gator.